In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 AI text-to-image generators that are available for free. So grab a cup of coffee and join me as we embark on an AI art adventure together on my channel. Number 1. Microsoft Bing. Access Microsoft Bing by typing bing.com into your browser's address bar. If you're having trouble finding the website, I've included a link in the description below for you to use. Once you've successfully entered the Microsoft Bing website, you'll see several options at the top of the screen. Click on the Images option to proceed. Once you enter into this page, you can able to view button labeled Image Creator option on right-hand side top. Click on this button to continue. Next, select the Join and Create option and click on it to proceed to create images. In order to create our images, it's important to have a Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, simply sign up using your email address. If you do have an account, make sure to log in using your existing credentials. Upon successful login with your credentials, you will be redirected to this page, which prominently displays a search box at the top. By using this search box, you can describe the image with clarity and precision. By scrolling down, you will be able to learn the process of creating digital art with clarity. The instructions are presented using descriptive adjectives, nouns, and verbs to guide you through the creation of an image. Near the description box, you will notice that 100 credits are available for use. These credits allow you to create up to 100 images. However, there is no need to worry, as you can continue creating images for free even after using all your credits. It's time to describe our image, but I currently do not have any specific images in mind. However, it's perfectly fine even if I don't have any ideas, because a solution is readily available. Just click on the Surprise Me button located near the Create button, and the description box will be automatically filled for you. Once you describe your image, click Create button to get an image result. Please be patient, it takes some seconds to display images on screen. Now our image is created perfectly. Click the one of the image to zoom in. On right side we have some options. By using this we can share, save and download our images. Furthermore, please note that we cannot upscale our images, and every image will feature the Bing logo located at the bottom left-hand side. However, if you wish to remove the logo, you can refer to the description where a video link is provided on how to remove the watermark. With this helpful video, you can easily remove the Bing logo in just a minute. Number 2. BlueWillow. Go to BlueWillow website by clicking on a link which I haven't provided in a description box. Once you enter into a website, click Join the Beta for free to proceed. After you are redirected to a new page, find the rookie channels in order to create images. Now here 4 rookie channels are visible here, so select one of them to begin creating our image. Prior to creating images, it's important to know a basic comment. However, don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Now the basic comment will now be visible on the screen. This comment will assist us in creating our images. Okay, now let's try imagining a white shark in the sky. So, I'm gonna describe my image / imagine white shark in the sky in the prompt section. After describing your image, wait a few seconds for it to display. Once the image appears, you can upscale it by clicking on U1, U2, U3, or U4. You can also make variations by clicking on V1, V2, V3, or V4. If you want to see a different set of images, click the Reload option, which will generate a new set of images. Once you are satisfied with your image, click on the Upscale button and save the image by right-clicking with your mouse. Number 3. Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI by simply clicking on the link which I haven't provided in the video description. After you have reached the website, enter your email address which I have highlighted in the rectangular box. Once you have entered your email, click on Account Me In to proceed further. Once you redirected to this page, click Accept Invite and complete the basic details like what I'm doing on the screen. In order to create images, still there is one more step we need to take. Scroll down on the left-hand side options and look for Priority Early Access. Once you have found it, fill out the form and submit it. Within a day of submitting the form, you will receive an access email. Once you get an access mail from Leonardo, click the link which I haven't highlighted in the blue circle. Once you click on the link, you will redirect it to new page for creating images. And if you scroll down, you can able to view the latest image creations, which are created by members of Leonardo. So, this will help you to get some ideas for creating a stunning images. Okay, now, we want to choose a model for creating images. By clicking on top right side arrows, there are several models available such as Leonardo Diffusion, Dream Shaper, Deliberate, Luna, and more. Now I can show you the difference of each model images. So, pick one of the model and scroll down, you can view the example images, which are created by using this model. Each of these models assists in generating unique images, so please select your preferred one. Once you choose preferred model, click Generate with this model button to proceed further. Now, it's time to generate images. Please provide a prompt in the prompt section to guide the image generation process. In case if you don't have an idea, you can go back and choose one of the images. Simply copy and paste the description of that image into the prompt section. After describing the image, you can now select whether you want to apply the Leonardo style or not. Additionally, the negative prompt can be used to exclude specific objects or elements from your images, such as cars or furniture. If there is anything you would like to eliminate from your image, please specify it in the negative prompt. Once you all done, click the Generate button to get an image result. Please be patient as it may take a few seconds to display the images. Once you have received an image, you can click on it to zoom in. And if you are satisfied with the image, simply click on the download symbol to initiate the image download. On the left-hand side, you will find various settings to customize the image creation process according to your preferences. You can adjust the number of images, dimensions, height, width, guidance scale, and more. It is important to note that Leonardo provides 150 tokens per day. If you exhaust all the 150 tokens, they will automatically be replenished the following day.
Number 4. Instant Art. Step 1. Go to the browser and search for Instant Art. I provided a link in the description, you can utilize that. After enter into this tool, you will able to see the Get Started button on right side top, click that. Now we want to create an account into this tool by using our email. After creating an account, we can able to view some couple of options on top. Now we are going to generate our image. So, please click a Generate option on top. Our next task is to describe our images. If you have no idea how to describe images, then you can check out the video description. I have provided some examples for your reference. After watching them, you should have a better idea of how to describe an image. Next one is negative prompt, if you don't want something on your image like building, cars, or something. This will help you to remove on your image. On right side, you will have some options. With the help of these options, you can able to change dimensions, set the model, contrast, and image count. After everything it's fine, just click Generate to produce our image. Please be patient as it may take a few seconds for our image to appear on the screen. The image is now fully prepared, and you may click on it to zoom in. If our image looks good, we can download by clicking download symbol on image top. If you'd like to view the images you've created, simply select this My Image option to view your created images.
Number 5. DreamLike Art. Step 1. Open your browser and enter DreamLike.art into the search box. If you're having trouble locating the website, don't worry, I provided a link in the description that you can use instead. Once you're on the DreamLike Art homepage, click Get Started for free to start using the tool. Once you click on the button, you will be redirected to a new page. In order to start creating your AI images, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply click on the Login/Signup button located in the bottom left corner of the page. If you'd like to receive future updates about this tool, simply check the corresponding box. If not, you can leave it unchecked. After that, click on Continue with Google to proceed. Now that we've completed the login process, we're ready to generate our images. But before we do that, let me explain some of the options in this tool that can help us create our images more effectively. Begin by clicking on the Kandinsky drop-down, then browse through the different versions available by scrolling down. Each version has its own unique set of features that can help you create a stunning image. Once you've found a version that you like, select it to start working on your image. Once you have selected your preferred version, you can move on to describing your image in the prompt section. If you feel unsure about your description skills, don't worry, I can help you with that. You can use Instant Art by following the link provided in the description to get inspiration for describing your image. Simply choose one of the images, copy its description, and paste it into your prompt section. If you want to learn more about Instant Art, you can watch the video link that I have provided in the description. In the prompt section, after pasting the prompt, scroll down to find the negative prompt. A negative prompt allows you to eliminate certain elements from the generated image. For instance, if you specify that you do not want any buildings in the image, the AI will make an effort to remove them. Once you have configured your negative prompt, you can specify the number of images you wish to generate. You have the option of generating up to 5 images, but if you only require 2 or 3, you can set the value accordingly. Once you have specified the number of images you wish to generate, you can proceed to upload your base image. This will ensure that the generated output resembles your base image as closely as possible. You have the flexibility to set the strength of the generated image as per your preference. This value indicates the quality of the image output. In case you don't want to upload a base image, you can simply click on the Clear option to remove it. Once you have cleared the base image, you will be presented with options to adjust the orientation of the generated image, such as portrait or landscape. Personally, I prefer to use my base image as a reference to ensure the generated image has a similar look and feel. Now set your mode either simplified or advanced. After set your mode, it's time to generate our images, so simply click Generate option to generate our images. Once you have clicked on the Generate button, please be patient as it may take anywhere between 4 to 7 seconds to generate the images. As such, the generated image closely resembles the original base image. Select one of the generated images and zoom in to take a closer look. You can modify the image by enhancing its features, adding variations, or even editing it. Once you are satisfied with the changes, simply click on the download symbol to save the image to your device. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more AI-related content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.